This video is for changing the hand of the ML2000 series mortise lock containing the locking pin latch bolt assembly. This is the locking pin we're referring to. This is what's going to lock the tailpiece to the latch bolt assembly. How this works is when you push down on this area here, it allows the latch bolt and the tailpiece to separate. And when that happens, this pin comes out and projects, and it's actually holding that in the retracted position, so this will slide together easily. And then when this is pushed back into the lock and it hits against the back of the lock case, it hits the pin, locking it together, and now the latch bolt and the tailpiece are secure. Taking a look at how this is done inside of the lock body, once again, you're going to push in the latch bolt, and you're going to be pushing down on this little tab right here. When you push down on that little tab there, it allows the two to separate. So now I'm going to take this, and I always find it's best to take care of this little tab first, because if I push on this little tab right here, the latch bolt's just going to pop right out. Now when I put this back together, once again, I want to make sure that I take care of that little tab first, and when I feed it into the lock case. So I'm going to slide the latch bolt in, I'm going to slide it in, and now when I push this against the back of the lock case, you'll hear the pin hit the back of the lock case and lock it into position. Take a listen. Now the latch bolt is firmly attached to the lock case, and you've just changed the hand of the lock body. The final step in changing the hand of the lock body is which side is going to be the lock side. This red screw always represents the lock side or the exterior side of the door. So this would be the lock side of the door. To change the hand of this, all you would have to do is unscrew this red screw. Take the red screw out completely. You're going to flip the lock body over, and it's just going to be screwed into the other side, just like this. And then once you've screwed this into the other side completely and firmly, this is now going to be the exterior side or the lock side of the door. Now you've just changed the hand of the ML2000 series lock completely.